guys, my name is Kay and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be doing another unboxing and we will be unboxing the package that I have received from Sample Room. So if you want to see what's inside, then please keep on watching. By the way, if bago ka sa channel ko, please subscribe ka naman sa channel ko and ring the notification bell para updated kapag may bago akong upload. And ano nga ba tong Sample Room? So if you're not familiar with Sample Room, this is a website wherein you get to try products, yung mga new released products ng iba't ibang brands, matatry mo muna siya before you get to buy a full size. Syempre, di ba, kapag bibili tayo, minsan hesitant tayo bumili ng mga bagong products kasi baka hindi tayo hiyang or hindi sulit yung pagkabili natin. So, Sample Room gives us the opportunity to try these items first for free bago natin bilhin yung full size for a regular amount. So, first time ko actually itry itong Sample Room. I have been seeing this in Instagram and I was really curious. So, 2 weeks pa lang akong nakabalik dito sa Philippines. So, tinry ko agad mag-order sa Sample Room. So, nag-register ako and once you register, magkakaroon ka ng 100 points upon registration. So, these points will be used for you to get products. So, yung points na ma-earn mo, I think makaka-earn ka ng points if you do reviews, product reviews. So, yung mga points na yun yung gagamitin mo para makakuha ka ng sample products. So, kumuha ako ng 3 products kasi I think that's the maximum that you could get for every transaction. And what's good about Sample Room is it's free. It's not subscription-based. Hindi mo kailangan bayadan yung mga products. All you need to do is to pay for shipping fee. So, na-receive ko na yung package today and excited ako. So, eto siya. So, inopen ko na siya. And the courier is Airspeed. So, yung binayaran ko sa shipping fee was 150 pesos. So, for 3 products, I think that's not bad na magbayad ka ng 150 pesos. At least, makaka-discover ka ng mga products. So, if hindi hiyang sa'yo, hindi mo na siya bibili. And, upon receipt of these products, meron silang period wherein you have to fulfill the review. So, kailangan mo siyang i-rate, kailangan mong ma-experience yung product, and then you'll give your honest review regarding this. So, hindi siya sponsored. So, masarap lang sa feeling na makakapag-try ka ng mga products, and if may mga products na hiyang sa'yo, then you can buy them. So, eto na nga. So, ang dami nating mga sat-sat. So, eto yung niya, yung package niya. So, after kung inopen yung box, ito yung nasa loob niya. So, it's in the box. So, it says here, Sample Room. So, I'll put in the link below or I will put it in the description box yung website nila and yung mga social media handles nila. So, they have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. So, Sample Room. So, ito siya. So, actually, inopen ko na siya. So, yan siya. It's a paper bag. So, ganyan siya. Ganyan yung marireceive mo. I'm not sure if ito yung marireceive mo every time na meron kang kukunin na products. So, I got 3 products from Sample Room. So, kapag binuksan mo siya, ito siya. So, nakabalot ko siya sa isang paper bag. So, para protected. So, I got 3 products. So, itong 3 products na to, actually, ikaw yung mamimili eh. You have to make use of the points available. So, meron siyang corresponding points for every product. So, since may 100 ako, ito yung mga items na nagkasya. So, the first item is this one. So, Soul White na Whip It soap. Itong Soul White na to is actually a different brand. Kasi yung ginagamit ko from before is Snail White. So, I think this is a new product. Nakagamit na ako ng Soul White before. Yung soap nila, na meron siyang kojic berry. So, it's a whitening soap. So, I'm not really into whitening, pero I wanna try this kasi yung na-try kong isang brand ng whip soap, it's very good. So, I really like it. So, itatry ko to. And I'll do a separate review, or a separate video to review this product. So, para makita nyo din. So, yung details, ilalagay ko sa description box below. So, this is the first item. So, yung presyo niya actually is $199 from what I saw. Yung regular price niya. So, it's not bad. Parang naka-break even na ako dun pa lang sa isang product. So, the next product is this one. So, this is a psyllium fiber na food supplement. So, meron siyang 7 sachets. So, isang box siya. So, hindi naman ako actually nagpapapayat, pero I feel that yung aking fiber intake is kulang. So, let's see if this will work. So, ano naman siya, 100% natural. So, try natin siya. So, it's 1 week's worth. So, let's see. Gagawa rin ako ng review regarding this product. And the last item on this haul is this one from Simple. This is the Simple Micellar Cleansing Wipe. So, this is a makeup remover and isang wipe siya. So, try mo siya for a single use and then pwede mo nang i-rate yung sample room. So, I'm really excited kasi first time ko tong itatry sa sample room and I will do separate videos, yung mga quick reviews lang, mga comments ko or kung ano yung mga nagustuhan ko or hindi itong mga products na to. Yun lang yung video ko for today. So, if you like videos like this, please hit the like button. Comment down below if nakapag-try na din ba kayo ng sample room or any of these products. And ano ba yung review nyo? Maganda ba itong mga products na to or hindi? Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!